like the Manufacturing Supply Chain Conference here today are so important because it gives professionals a chance to speak to others within their industry, people who already have a lot of influence and they're maybe inspired from and they're doing work similar to. This is all about knowledge exchange and business and contacts exchange as well.
The highlight of the event is undoubtedly the collection of people who've joined. We've got tremendous potential now, and the engineers are coming really, really good.
I think the chance for industry to come together, to learn from each other, to hear what technologies are going on that they maybe heard of but weren't really clear about, and just be able to bounce off each other. And we've got a 2-day event, we're busier than ever, it's great.
So the ability to all come together like this for a couple of days, share ideas, get to talk to each other, start to build relationships, to me, that's the key to A, enabling resilience, and B, growing business.
Very simple. This is where you come to meet the Scottish engineers. That's what it's about in Scottish manufacturing.